How to do strike through on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to do strike through on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then, swipe to the story section. Next, take a picture or select one from your gallery. Now tap on the text icon and type anything, but you will notice there's no built-in strike through option. To apply strike through, open Google Chrome and search for a strike through text generator. Next, click on one of the websites and type or paste your text into the generator, and it will instantly convert it to strike through format. Copy the converted text, return to Instagram, and paste it into your story. Now, you can move, resize, or change the color of the text to fit your design before posting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.